12. Potato, Solanum tuberosum. Known as king of vegetable. Cash crop, high marketable value per unit area. Rich source of starch i.e. farina and vitamin especially B1. Origin. Peru, South America. True potato seed, TPS. Developed by Ramanujan. 100 to 150 g seeds per hectare, for nursery, is sufficient. Area and distribution. Area. Uttar Pradesh greater than West Bengal greater than Bihar. Production. Same trend as area. Potato occupies largest area under any single vegetable in the world. Botany. Perennial plant but is a crop treated as an annual plant. Propagation by tubers, i.e. an enlarged underground stem produced on the end of a stolon and not on the root properly. C3. Short day plant from tuberization point of view while flowering point of view long day plant. Fruit type as berry and potato requires temperature for satisfied tuber growth 17 to 19 degrees Celsius. pH requirement about 5.0-6.5, as acidic condition reduces scab discase incidence. Varieties. A. Early maturity, takes only 75 days. Kufri Chandramukhi. K. Ashoka, extra early. Kufri Jyoti. K. Alankar, K. Lavkar and K. Navtal. B. Medium duration. K. Sheetman, frost resistant variety. K. Chamatkar. K. Badshah. C. Late maturity. K. Sinduri. K. Deva. D. Suitable for processing. K. Chipsina 1, K. Chipsina 2, 3. Seed sowing, diameter of potato tuber, 2.5 centimeters. 25 grams cut piece of tuber with 3 to 5 buds, eyes at 15 to 20 cu per hectare. As getting high yield at 20 to 25 cu per hectare for 15 grams seed. Spacing 45 to 60 x 15 to 20 cm. Seed plot technique, SPT. Developed by Pushkarnath et al. In 1967. It is a technique of multiplication of disease-free, virus-free seed in northern plains of country by growing of healthy seeds in October and remove upper hulls, tops, between mid-January and leave tubers underground for maturity. True potato seeds, TPS. Sexual reproduction in potato and given by Ramanujam in 1957. In this TPS is sown in nursery for raising seedling which are later transplanted in field. Disease-free potato seed can be produced and prevention of disease to new areas can be checked. Cost of cultivation can be reduced as compared to traditional method of planting by tubers. 100 to 150 g seeds per hectare in nursery, 75 square meters, is sufficient. Disorders. A. Black heart. Due to lack of O2 in stored potato, the internal tissues break down and become black. Avoid storage temperature above 35 degrees Celsius and poor ventilation. B. Hollow heart. Due to excessive use of N fertilizer, an irregular cavity in the center of tubers develops. C. Chilling injury. Due to prolonged storage of tubers at temperature of about 0 degrees Celsius. Diseases. Late blight of potato, caused by Phytophthora infestans fungus, more destructive and responsible for Iris famine or Ireland famine in 1845. Early blight of potato is caused by fungus Alternaria solani and more common than late blight. Black scurf caused by fungus Rhizoctenia solani. Scab is caused by fungus Streptomyces scabus. What disease of potato is caused by fungus Syncytrium endobioticum? Charcoal rot is most serious storage disease of potato. To control black scrub and common scab disease, tubers should be treated 3% boric acid. Important points. Dormancy breaker may be used 1% thea with 1 ppm of GA3 for 10 minutes. Fertilizer KCl not used in Solanaceae crops because chloride has adverse effect on dry matter and starch content of potato. The stolon formation 20 to 50 DAP and tuber elongation 50 to 80 DAP are most critical stages of irrigation. Insect of potato which infect the tubers in field as well as storage is potato tuber moth, Neuramoschema operculella. Potato leaf roll viruses are transmitted by aphids, Mysis persicae. What disease of potato is due to? Fungus, Syncytium endobioticum. Domestic quarantine is adapted. Transport of planting materials, i.e., tubers from Darjeeling area, WB, to other parts of the country is restricted to prevent the spread of what disease, and transport of planting materials from Nilgiri Hills, TN, to other parts of country is restricted to protect from golden nematode, Globodera rostokinensis.